Is a Dyson blow dryer really super? What's up, it's Mikey G6. Thanks for tuning into my fourth video. My first video, we talked about a hair product comparison. I'll link that above. Then someone hit me up on Instagram, follow at Mikey G6, and asked to hear about the blow dryer that I used in that video. So of course, I'm making a video about it. And let's talk about the Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. Like my name, G6, this video will be 6 points. Number 1, and most importantly, the price. The blow dryer retails for $3.99 plus tax, so you're paying about $4.40 for it. I paid $250 for mine. How? I constantly checked eBay, and Dyson has a store on that website. They always sell refurb for $2.79, and on a particular day, they had a bonus 20% off. Yes, it's refurb, which means someone bought it, returned it, Dyson inspected it, and then resold it. It works great, and doesn't have any missing parts or damage. Number 2, it blows hot and cold air. I don't like my hair to get blown more than needed, so I always test the air temperature on my arm first. To adjust the heat, you go like this. And important to know, to make it blow cold, you need to hold the button the entire time. It takes a minute or two for the cold air to come out. Number 2, it blows hot and cold air. I don't like my hair to get blown more than needed, so I always test the air temperature on my arm first. To adjust the heat, you go like this. And important to know, to make it blow cold, you need to hold the button the entire time. It takes a minute or two for the cold air to come out. Number 3, it comes with 3 attachments: a diffuser, styling concentrator, and a smoother. I don't use the diffuser because it's for curly or wavy hair. I don't use the smoother because I don't do long blowouts. So I use the concentrator 24/7. I always use the concentrator 24/7 because I like to know exactly where the air is going. So I use it all the time. And this is how you use it. The attachment is here with a magnet, so it's fast, secure, and there's nothing to twist. Number 4, the cord is super long, and it has an electrical box on it. The cord is 9 feet long because I think pros use this long, so it's made so they can walk around the chair. If you use this around the bathroom like I do, you may want to put a twist tie around the cord so it doesn't drag on the floor or hit things on your counter. Number 5, the operation is really good. It measures temperature 20 times per second, so you can be sure that the heat you set is consistent. I don't know what's happened to you, but it happened to me with my old blow dryer. And the sound versus this one, the sound is actually pleasant. It's not that loud. You don't want a blow dryer that's too hot or too loud to be close to your ears. Number 6, do I recommend it? You can probably tell, but the answer is yes. It has a great weight, build quality, and it functions both well heat and cold, sound and power. I really like the attachment because I've had cheaper blow dryers and the ring around the attachments break when you continually screw them on and off. I understand paying $4.40 for a blow dryer is a lot of money, but if you're paying less than $2.70 like I did for the refurb, it makes the dollar to value much better. Because even if you use it 5 days a week, that's $1 a day for a year, and it'll hopefully last longer than that. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to comment, follow, like, subscribe, and let me know what else you want me to talk about. You can interact with me on this video or follow me at Instagram, Mikey G6.